This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Cobarrubia. When you hear home sweet home, this is the house you think of. 108 Chilton is Broussard's newest listing and is one you won't want to miss. With fresh interior paint giving the home a light neutral feel, a split floor plan, multiple patios and a master suite to write home about, there isn't much that 108 Chilton doesn't offer a new home owner. The back patio is perfect for entertaining, and the lot is positioned perfectly with pond views and a double gate access. Make sure to take a look at the full amenities list, and know this one won't last long. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below.